Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we had already seen a video on resource curation for product managers. So this is a part 2 video of that. So there we have covered some of the resource curation by the best experts and professionals. If you have not watched this video, do check out that video and then you can check this video. So in this video also, we are going to see a set of product management resources curation which are done by some of the experts, other product managers and professionals. So let's get into the
Description
video.
below and you can check them out. The first in the list is Awesome Product Management Resources by Hello PM for aspiring product managers. So in this, they have a very set of curated resources. So the first the category is product management practices at top tech companies, right? If you want to understand what are the best practices followed in top tech companies, they have curated resources for that. So let's say if I want to know what is the rituals or the practices followed, product practices followed in YouTube. So here is an article that YouTube team would have written, someone from the YouTube's product team would have written, right? So you can understand, learn. If you're already a product manager, you can know about these best practices and implement them in your organization. And the next is your product management templates. So here they have given curated resources on templates like PRD, job story template, etc. Right? So this is a Figma's PRD template, right? So they have problem alignment. So you can understand, okay, how are these companies have how is the structure of the PRD in these companies? And next is your product strategy, right? Product strategy is very important, like how you're aligning the product roadmap with business goals and how it is affecting the business, and what is the strategy of developing new features, improving existing features, etc. You can learn about product strategy from these resources. And then they have curated resources for specific things, like specific categories of work, right? So shipping and stakeholder management, mental models. So when you are a product manager, you need to solve complex problems, so you need to have specific mental models and some frameworks to think and resolve about those problems. Product thinking and product sense, this is one of the very important skill, and this is also assessed during interviews, right? And they have also curated resources for interview preparation and frameworks and tech for PM. So let's say if you are from a non-technology background and if you want to learn about technology, right, you are going to start your career as a product manager in a tech company, then these resources would be very helpful. Then they have product growth resources, case studies and tear downs, product design, and so they have curated the resources in very great categorization of different things, right? Like stakeholder management, mentor models, product design, analytics, and much more. And the next in our list is Product Manager's Wisdom Temple. So here also there's a great collection of resources like apps, blogs, communities, courses, learning hubs, newsletters, people to follow, podcast, and much more. And they have also like categorized them. So let's say if I want to see resources only related to marketing, right, I can see them like marketing related. And let's say if I want to see only the ones related to startups, so they have also categorized those resources here. Like it has a collection of like multiple things, right? And this is very useful. And the next in our list is PM Learning Hub by Product Kit, right? And here you have to so here also it keeps on getting updated. So the database is updated every time with new tools, new apps, new books, and they have also categorized in a very great way. So here I found one good thing is TED Talks, right? They have curated TED Talks that are related to product management, and you can learn a lot from these TED Talks. And then in this, the another good thing is they have also curated AI tools, right? In today's world we need to save a lot of time by using the power of AI, right? So here you have a lot of AI tools like Tom. It used to generate presentations, and there's TweetMonk, which used to you can write tweets with the help of AI. The next in our list is Upraised free product management course, right? So here they have categorized into the career level. So let's say if you're just starting up, or if you're trying to get into a PM role, so you can learn from Introduction to Product Management resources. If you're already a PM, then you can refer to these resources where you grow as a PM, right? They have separate resources for tools and frameworks and interview preparation. So if you're preparing for interview, so here in the interview prep, you can see specific company interview guides like PhonePe product management interview guide, Paytm product management interview guide, and much more. This will help you to prepare for these companies. And the next in our list is product management interview question curation. So here you will find the product management interview questions which are asked in specific rounds, right? Like product sense, business sense, etc. Team management. So you can practice them. As a hack you can use is, you can put these questions on chat gpt, and you can then answer to chat gpt and it will evaluate, right? Chat gpt can also act as an interviewer. And the last one and the best one in the list is Product Library by Zeda. So this is a very, very big curation of resources, right? It has multiple things ranging from blogs, publication, podcast, newsletters. So let's say they have also categorized as must reads, general. So you can select a particular category, okay, if it's a must read, or if you are looking to upskill on a particular skill, right? Let's say I don't know strategy and planning, I want to learn about leaderships. I want to improve my execution skill. So there are specific blogs and resources for that. Similarly, publications are there, podcasts are there. There are also curated webinars, communities. So you can join these communities and learn from other people in the communities. Different tools, and tools are also categorized. If you see, they have categorized tools for mind mapping, ideation, flow chart, road mapping, usability testing, agile project management, A/B testing. So this will be really helpful for you, right? And next, you also have influencers whom you can follow and learn from. They have conferences, documentaries. This is something interesting I like. So, like documentaries, you can watch these documentaries and learn from them. You have YouTube channels. You have subreddits, right? Subreddits is where people discuss in Reddit about different topics. And you also, they have also attached templates, case studies. So very important, right? Especially from the interview point of view. Then you have courses and boot camps, APM and RPM programs, right? So if you're someone who are just starting, you can try for this APM program, which are by the big companies like Amazon, Adobe. And they have also told about LinkedIn communities or LinkedIn pages which you can just follow, and they post very great content on product management and you can learn from.
Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video with friends who are preparing for product management interviews or who are product management who are trying to upskill themselves. Thank you and have a great day.